used to have sleepovers for Cousin Day. Handa ka ron. Pero now you're grown up, stepping into adulthood with so many opportunities ahead of you. I'll always treasure those fun times we had together. As we celebrate this milestone, I wish you nothing but happiness, success, and all the blessings life has to offer. May your journey ahead be as joyful and unforgettable as the memories you share. Happy 18th.
Thank you very much. We will light up the candle afterwards.
Sanan, and I am Ate Bly's neighbor. I have been with her since when we moved to that subdivision, and I've been thankful na neighbors me since I've very supported her since pag first jud na ni-move me, and I am thankful na I am standing here with her right now, and I will continue to support you in your life no matter what.
Thank you very much. Let's have.
Since like 18 years old na ka, I hope na padayon imong life. Then, pagandaghan ng grasya sa God, masaksid nimo ang imuhang pangambuhi sa kinabuhi. Thankful kay like, sorry Jud, like, dalit Jud ko kay, na-traffic ko kay, medyo di ko unta pa sa tune sa jeep. Pero akong giingnan nga, sige, PWD man ko, pwede ta mo i-report. Ay, yung tao na conductor, sige na lang ma'am, sakay na. Salamat ko sa inyo, abot ka ko nimo. Thank you sa imong bike. Happy birthday, Bly.
Thank you very much. Let's have Brittany Malianes.
Classmate in grade 11. I was her president. Up until this day, we were still classmates. And I have seen her like grabe, talented especially in her drawings. And with that light, I will abide you to all your big victories. And light, whenever you want to talk to, especially sometimes we were not in classroom kay mga officers sa school, but I have seen Blight mag-talk sila sa mga classmate, and grabe siya ka. She's not just beautiful on the outside, but also generous. Grabe ka matagon si Blight. Di ba, you have seen man siguro, no? Especially to Philotos family. Grabe ka may natagon, and we're so grateful and blessed to have you as our classmate, Blight. And with that, happy 18th birthday, and I will give you this life verse that I have. So in Proverbs 9.
Hi Blight, you know me, I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. So I've seen it all. The sweet moments, the funny ones, and of course, those iconic queen attitude. And also the funny ones. So that's part of what makes you who you are. And you're unique, and you're wonderfully artistic. Makita man sa iyang mga drawings. So, now that you're 18, here's my wish. Keep that confidence, keep that fire, but mix it with a little patience and humility. Because the most powerful queens don't just rule with attitude, they rule with grace and kindness too. I know you're going to do amazing things, and even if I can't always be beside you, I'll always have your back. So, happy 18th, sis. Stay bold, stay bright, and keep shining. But maybe with a fewer tantrums now, okay?
Thank you very much. And now let's have Justine May Mahinay.
Everyone, I am glad to be one of the 18 candles. Like, I wish you all the best this year and more years to since grade 9, grade 11, and still now. Really made our bond very well and even made memories together. Sorry. Even made memories together and share stories. Blythe, I wish you all the best. Be amazing every day and happy.
Thank you so much. Let's have Shakira.
Happy 18th birthday, Blythe. I've known you since grade 11 and I can truly say you're such a genuine and kind person you are. May this candle remind you to always shine bright and continue to be an amazing person. Happy 18th birthday. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now let's meet Jonah Balinin.
Especially to our celebrant, na very pretty, di ba, Karon? And then, may this candle be a light to guide you towards your dreams. May you always shine with confidence, Blythe, kindness, and courage as you step into this new chapter of your life. And as you look this surrounding, kaning deserve you kanin mo, Blythe, because you are very talented, kind na classmate. And then, bisag bago rata nagka-classmate today, ito karon, and then ipa-experience mo ang 18th candle, and it was my first time, and then very thank you, Blythe. Happy birthday again. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for inviting me, Blythe. Happy 18th birthday, Angel Blythe. Today marks a very special milestone in your life, and I hope that this day brings you nothing but joy, love, and unforgettable memories. I classmate Mamie Blythe since grade 11, and I have witnessed how genuine and buutan kaayo si Blythe. May you continue to shine bright like your name, spreading kindness and light wherever you go. As you step into this new chapter, may your journey be filled with success, happiness, and all your dreams your heart desires. Cheers to your beautiful future. Welcome to the world of adulthood. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So, pleasure evening to everyone. So, first and foremost, I'm so thankful to be here and celebrating Blythe's 18th birthday. So, happy legality, Blythe. Welcome to adulthood. So, my wish for you is simply to be always happy every day, to receive all the blessings you truly deserve, and also, and also study hard as well as you chase your dreams. So, happy 18th. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I would like to say thank you for having me as one of your 18 candles on this very special day. And I'm wishing you all the best, not just for today, but for always.
Good evening, everyone. Happy 18th birthday, Blythe. Welcome to the world of legality. Wherever choose you make shape your future. May your journey be filled with wisdom, courage, and endless opportunity. I'm so happy nga naate ko nimo. You know already how much I care you sa una. To be part of your journey sa una. Happy kay ko. And then, ang sa tikakalaw sa una, lot of memories we created. After 3 years, nag-meet na sa kita balik. Then you called me ate again. Thank you so much sa tanan. Enjoy your day. Take care always. I love you, Inday.
Thank you very much. Let's have Cherise Payal.
Hi, Blay. Happy birthday. Good evening sa tanan. And today, we celebrate not just your birthday, but the strong and empowering you've become. Back in grade 11, kadyo to kahit ang tayo na nagkakita. And even yung nililita classmate mo. Thank you for being the kind of person who empowered you, even sa short amount of time. Now that you're in the 18 na, magbiso na ta. Same ta. And pwede lang yung kapisan. Speaking of, bantay-bantay, sorry, sabihin ko, nakalimutan ko. But, thank you, Diane, as according to Proverbs chapter 18, verse 24, there is a friend which is can't lose. And because of that, thank you for being that friend and the kind of person na naka-empower you. Isang ganyan tayo. May your journey ahead be filled with good, love, and endless opportunities. Continue to shine and empower others the way you empower. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
Hi, Blythe. Thank you for including me in your debut. I'm really happy to be part of your special day. I just want to say thank you for being who you are. You're the strongest woman I've ever known and will ever possibly know. We may have only known each other for a few months, but it feels like I've known you for a long time ago. Your kindness and generosity move to no ends, and really love you, and I really love you as a person. I hope you stay the same as you are. Once again, happy birthday, Blythe.
Thank you very much. Let's have Krisha Ortiz.
Into adulthood, we always walk with confidence, grace, and a heart full of hope. Continue to shine brightly, chase your passions, and never forget how loved and special you are. Wishing you a future as beautiful as your soul. With love, Keisha.
Thank you so much. Let's have Nicole Miloses.
Good evening, everyone. Happy birthday, Blythe. Welcome to the exciting chapter of your adulthood. Today, mark not just another year of life, but a milestone filled with new opportunities, responsibilities, and dreams to choose. May your journey ahead be guided with wisdom, courage, and joy. Always believe in yourself and the amazing person you're becoming. Wishing you endless happiness, success, and unforgettable memories as you step into this new beginning. Dahil bisan, karon ba kita nag-meet since grade 12 na yan, nagkaklasmate ka ng, I meet you as kanang taas dyan kay nga kanang dreams, as kanang bisag na kay kanang ipamati, kanang dili dyan ka kanang mabukuan ka na sa mga tao, kanang malahi ka ba, always dyan ka mag-aas na mo, if okay na ba me, if kanang mas able me prioritize ba, bisan ikaw ang kanang naglida na. Again, Blythe, happy birthday, Blythe, enjoy your day.
Thank you so much. Let's
Happy birthday, Blythe. This year isn't just a celebration of your birthday, it's also a reflection of how strong and inspiring you are. Even though I've only known you for a year, I can already see how kind, generous, friendly, and positive you are. To everyone around you, may this candle be a reminder of the light you bring into our lives. Happy 18th birthday, and may your journey ahead be filled with endless happiness and success.
Thank you so much. And now let's have she is the advisor of our birthday celebration.
Surprise! Murag nakalakaw ko sa luto na siya. Nagawin ka gani, walang ni-skirt dalo. Happy birthday, Blythe.
drop a joke. I always heard that one. Continue to be kind to others because the world really needs kind people, especially at times today. I hope na you can achieve your dreams, and to the proud parents for supporting Blythe in her journey. I hope you have a good health and more blessings always. Misty is always here, just a chat away. Happy birthday!
Thank you very much, Dr. Thea Agnes Cabana. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all, ladies and gentlemen, throughout the journey, will also cry, sharing the journey, sharing her age, youthful age, baby to a lady. Ladies and gentlemen, in all gratitude and thanks to the dearest mother, can we all stand? And let us celebrate life and love. We have a very strong woman behind it all. The dearest mother of our birthday celebrant. A round of applause to Dr. Vilma Lastimosa Pilotos. Symbolizes the very special people in her life. And through the years, Dr. Vilma stood it all. Please take your seats. Let us hear from the dearest mother.
My dearest pretty little baby, now a lady and pretty woman, just like mommy. So strong enough to be in my womb for 9 months. And now, I could not imagine that she is receiving the gift of new life. 18 years from hardship of her heart ailment, but in just 3 days, it was given a miracle by God above. With all the prayers, ang tanging ina, so silently, always keep on praying in the middle of the night. I cried alone, but I keep so strong. My only confidant is aside my son and my husband is God above. I'm very thankful to the Lord that He gave me my wish that Blythe will be given a new life just like any other children. Even the children in the street that no mother is caring, I ask for that. That Lord, give the life of my angel Blythe, because it isn't fair for those children that they have no mommy in the middle of the rain, in the middle of the hunger, and the middle when they ask for love. And here I am, Lord, I'm full of love of my little angel. But she is suffering from the most important system in her life, the heart. So it's very difficult. As I recall, when we stayed in the hospital, only me and Angel prayed so much. But after the operation, I will share to you that after operation, 2 hours after, even if she was injected by the anesthesia, she was able to wake up. Unlike the other children that was also nadungan niya o opera, 3 days pa na wake up. And then I saw her in the glass. I thumbs up. She said, grabe. Super agad ang Ginoo. Divine providence. When you ask God, so providence and so honestly with all your heart, it will be given unto you. And now this is my miracle baby in her 18th birthday, and I asked her that mommy will always be in her side as long as mommy will live, and I'm praying that all her dreams will be realized with the rest of my family who will support him. Because mommy, ang ina at ilaw ng tahanan. Mo ni na adjud symbolizes the candle. I will light her ways, her road, her ambition, so that slowly she could reach whatever she wants in life. So this candle symbolizes the love of a mother, the light of a mother. Maugin na siya ang atong hinagduman, because Angel Blight, I cannot remember nga wa dyan siya magrespeto na po. She is a very loving daughter. Ever since the world began, kung sa'y nakita niyo sa mga classmates, ingon anak ko na siya sa balay, pinangka dyan kay niya ang tanan. And she respect everybody, and then humble, and I will always pray nga, stay your humbleness, do not be changed until you reach your dreams. Mommy is always there for you. You always remember the song, Mama's Love. Ikaw ang mama, nagmamahal sa'yo. Diba? Oh. Muna siya. I always give her that kind of song whenever she will sleep, and kiss her in the forehead. Makatulog na siya. Mawala na ang sakit siyang dughan. No? So, like, I wish you all the best in your life. Always remember, Mommy, Daddy, and Kuya, and the rest of your family, and the rest of your friends will always be praying for you. God bless, and Mama Mary always stay for you. Santo Niño. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much to our well-wishers. It's more than just the light of the candle. It is the journey you shared with our birthday celebrant that surpassed it all. Let's keep the faith, the strength, and the love of God be spread among us all. Right on closer, everyone, and let's have this once in a lifetime photo op. Ready? Closer all together and with all smiles. Let us face the official count in 3, 2, smile. Okay, stay right there, everyone. Let's request the dearest family to be at the birthday cake table. Dearest father, brother, and the rest of the family of our birthday celebrant.